Alright, so I've got this problem with my truck. If I put it in reverse, it goes right in reverse from park. But if I'm in drive and I go forward, and I try to go from drive to reverse, it doesn't go. I'm not going anywhere.
What's moving?
I've got to jiggle it. Now I'm going. Pretty easy fix. Show you in a minute. Got to go buy the part first. So Ford wants like $120 for the shift linkage cable, but all we need is these two orange pieces out of this package. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advance, all of them sell it. Alright, so you just get under here. Careful, that's hot. Behind the plastic piece there's a little bushing in there. So you can even see it's in pieces. You just gotta pop it off. Everything's so hot. It's so hot. Hang on. Like I said, you just pop it off. Yeah, that side where the hole is. You get the first piece and ow! Why is everything so hot? Hell yeah. Just pop it in. Then this slide that over. Get the new one? I'll use a new one. Yeah. Get it. Ow. Ow. Everything burns. Why can't I do this? Then, squeeze it. Squeeze it. You might need 2 hands. You just squeeze it. Super easy. Yeah. And then it kind of wiggles, but it's not gonna come off. I don't think it's gonna come off. Yeah, it's not coming off. Ta-da! It's fixed. No wonder that shit was sloppy. That's what she said.